Today we're cleaning our very dirty makeup brushes. The bristles are very dirty, as you can see, and all you need for this tutorial is just your shampoo. I'm using my VO5 shampoo and also olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using VO5 shampoo and olive oil. Olive oil because olive oil is good. Olive oil, you can also replace your olive oil with coconut oil. Now, if you are one of those people that just dump your makeup brushes into the sink, put your shampoo and then soak the sink up with water and your brushes are in it, please stop it. It is very wrong. Also, if you are one of those people that just get a deep bowl and you soak your brushes into it, pour water, put shampoo and then start going back and forth with it, please stop. This is what happens to your brush. The end comes off because the water goes into the stick. Yes, what you need to wash is what I am showing you in the video. That's the only part that you need to wash. But when you soak it, the water goes into the stick and at some point it just comes off. It just comes off like this and that's the end of it. You have one half brush like my own brush. So first you dispense your shampoo on your palm, you pour your olive oil and then you wet your makeup bristles and you just go, you dab it into your palm. You use your palm as a washboard to just keep washing it back and forth. You can also use your fingers as a washboard to keep washing it till it's clean. Now for you to know that it's clean, you go back in, you rinse it with water. You see my brush is very dirty. No shame, it's a very dirty brush. That's why we're here. I get to clean it. Also, you can also dispense your shampoo into a bowl, pour your olive oil into the bowl, and then instead of putting it in your hand so it doesn't get dirty every time, you just go into the bowl, put it in it, and you just use your palm as a washboard to keep washing it. Your palm, the reason why you're using your palm as a washboard is because that's the only way it's going to get clean. You keep striking it against your palm and against your fingers. You keep going back and forth. It's just a washboard for you to wash your hands, for you to wash your brushes, sorry. You're going to rinse off, and then if it's not clean enough, you go back again, put the shampoo, dab it into it, and then you keep brushing till it's clean. It's just, the process is just rinse and repeat. You are going to do this till the water is clean, till you don't see any dirt of makeup, foundation or anything or any of your brushes. That's why I just keep doing in this video. As you can see, my makeup brush is not clean enough, so I'm just going to go back in, dab and wash. Use my fingers as my palm as my wash hand board again. Squeeze it out to see if it's clean. You rinse it out also again. That's how you do it for all of them. For the small brushes, the small makeup brushes also, you clean it. The small makeup brushes are a bit small. That you need to take your time more with them because they're always very tiny. So you just go in, same method, same process, wash, rinse, keep washing. You're using olive oil because your makeup brush is very dirty. But if your makeup brush, if the bristles are not as dirty as my own in this video, you don't need to use olive oil or coconut oil or any oil that you have. But because mine are very dirty and if yours are also very dirty, please go ahead and mix your shampoo with olive oil. Because my brush was very dirty, I washed some twice, I washed some thrice, and I just kept on washing till they were clean. The timing of how long your brush would take to be clean depends on how dirty your brush is. That's dry them. All you need is a towel and you just need to fold your towel. The reason I'm folding my towel up is because I need that side elevated so that I can arrange the brush in a slopey way. Once it's slopey, the water in the bristle just comes off. Now after I leave my brushes to dry in this slopey way on the towel, I come back with cotton wool and spirit. The spirit applied on the cotton wool already, and I'm going to take this cotton wool to clean the handle of my brushes. Handle because it is also part of your brushes and cleanliness is good for it because it's all part of your brush. I'm just going to take the cotton wool and clean all of my handles and make sure that if the cotton wool is dirty, I go back and I apply another cotton wool with spirit and clean all of the handles. Once that's done, I'm done with cleaning my brushes and this is the end result. I hope you like this video. Please thumbs up, Let me know in the comment section once you try it. Bye.